Hello everyone, it's me Chevy from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video, I'll show you how to fix unable to take screenshot or screen recording of user account control messages in Windows. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you by opening one software. So you can see this user account control message popping up. So by default, we are unable to take a screenshot or screen recording of this user account control message. So for this, what you need to do is on your computer keyboard, just press Win plus R to open the run program, and in the run program just type gpedit.msc, and after that you can click on OK or hit enter on your computer keyboard. Now just below the computer configuration, just select this Windows settings folder and click on this left arrow icon. And once again, select this security settings option. And once again, click on this left arrow icon. And once again, select this local policies. And once again, click on this left arrow icon. Now, click on the security options. Now, on the right side, just scroll down below. Now, here you will see one option, user account control. Switch to secure desktop when prompting for elevation. Just double click on it. Now, just disable it. Click on apply. Click on OK. Now, you can minimize it. Now, let me try to reopen the respective software. So now you can see the similar user account control message. So let me try to open the snipping tool. Let me try to take a screenshot. So now you can see I'm able to take a screenshot, which was not possible earlier. And if you want to restore it back, just move back to the same option and just enable the option again and click on apply, click on OK, then it will restore back to the default settings. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily fix unable to take screenshot or screen recording of user account control messages in Windows very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.